say kokwa de bia me jira ana man for say bua me bu ho bo mfia me dwen say sabe opportunity amanya me de kasane on krofo a sabe o me dwen so mo betimi aye abro ne me ye no 3 reasons na me de jina ha opportunity bi na menya obi adwuma na wabi ani ye bi na sabe bi a proximity a little at here and our journalist they be make say our fidelity we say fidelity me ana fidelity near me there or our fidelity is to the truth one and to the fact it was to be a me chairman am say this is my subjective deductions of asam na me be kan me ma dream say na me hu no but even in making such subjective analysis no I must have full cognizance and I say me aware of a no any fact, no, I shouldn't dilute the fact. If you also senior general Jaman for ye, I'm not attacking anybody in a Trica case, but I'm all for sending an audio to meet you, no, not me, and I feel so if you are not careful and set the preamble right, and let's have conversation. I'm a dream say, ye catch the youth when they say, a quembia befasudia young ye. I look at me, correct me. I don't want to sound prejudicial of me, but you are careful and your commentary, but say, yen says, and we are bonnia, and so many fat crime be so cut out money and so. Which for me shouldn't come from a media or a media platform. It shouldn't be so. And to me, I'm saying, as a journalist, one of the things you must read right. You must research. And you know, maybe between me, maybe I would have say, and now they could be, yeah, and it say no more concern at here. And once the lawyers being seen and a casa goes to be arguments on be interpretation. It's all this will claim to Boku Jam female lawyer, MK Gaddafi, no, Hafiz, me from no much me. And then any say last week. In chef and positive video means also a comment na. I'm not for already a simple. Yamfa Trica and JFK. No some for converter me jina ho. Ti do we see plan near the west. Yanya na send your koto phone. Unza lita me use phone pay Pixel 9 Pro. It's ga ko ATM anya na say du kageti afa 10 bra na afa 9 bra na say swap no bia enya no ho. Nyakosama some be talkability na side the journalist no mu bi kan no e attorney general DC committee the press no ka say in lieu of be reciprocity o sadan an ke bi an ka so abe no watiti bi but enye sa na tie person so I've gone behind the veil so oba na e ba we ade bi hye no we so behind the veil makowu mra ne kakra me no be che and the reason why I'm dream say asem we as in discussing here because you see Aluta the ramifications of the actions of the alleged actions of some Mranti and Yamabu Moyan, or Susaso, Menu in Aso. O Quajevesa, yes, yen fair mount, will be sending with Kako Banka, Krebubes and some document to be our drobber, be a wooting, all these are issues and three also. Now, look at I bant you that yes, no, Fredukumi, it didn't be Swayman or Bing, according to US Justice Department, the Union room of the buy. The nickname will be any day, Trica, Sikade, Obi. When the videos any idea to send a member Benazin Nika play, Trica, BBN Sinu, Nini, and Kaluta, Kamimagina public in Casa.
100,000 videos.
Exactly. 100 crowd their doors for Luta, me 50 crank. So what I say. If you send a carrot, me say, I ate. The colleague I'm in one lab from London care, Muzia de Vet, or so we I8 BMW a car. Well, or so what to say, I would send my Kunaman Casa customize my Utikum. The car will only patent.
That means there was our Lexus features in the video.
Exactly.
And I steer and I am stuck.
Exactly.
Exactly. Send your can based on state channel. Now amount level.
One in the first conversation, me right. So maybe I would do position. What will you so as a it's in the car and I ate no. And then the pictures they post to social media be near so when kind of stash of cash. Packs and we go back say be a bank be a tell be come and we nya tell us we on one sika allegedly of posting the pictures near the brand in your chair no on any cronies and answer friends some pictures in any idea. Now this is our Attorney General. O make a statement say send a man for who say yanya swab bill send your phone kejiti ane circle and tsa. Now Anita, I'll be basing my analysis on these 3 or these 4 agreements, framework and law. If there be extradition treaty of 1931, so why should my analysis on critical analysis and should count because this is a deeper analysis of the issue. And my son you be my friend of the MLL. which is the Mutual Legal Assistance Act 807, and I'm saying the Financial Action Tax will be breaking it down, and the Badi and your friend the Budapest Convention. Na Eugene yet bomb so what you call Budapest angry dear. Much in a match, a million crabino, a brofino mechanical emotion, breaking in Rama. The first one, a near Camo. It was in 1931, Ghana yet the Fourth Republic, now yes, near Republic State, in your independence. In your independence, and Mama, you inherited from the colonial authority, which was the British government, and a Parliament of Ghana ratifying the Extradition Act of 1960, that is Act 22. Now, I'm not a lawyer, but they be on a camera document in 14 pages. And see, I decided to just sub it in the various ways so that my audience in HFM can understand it. You say you extradite Obia. What is the process like? What kind of 14-page documents? Now, the first step, and say, as a Ghana and a country now in Panel, or my request is to me here, Ghana, Nina, will be Bonibino. Say a certain bilateral extradition treaty. You can't treat it, say, ye be you say to go US we di boni bia say Ghana ni US won hihye bi e da ho da say so bi di boni a yetimi de ne ba krowem yetimi de ne ba ha e be begina emranim alita is accurate. So that is the treaty. Two, president so making sure that there is an extradition act which is in place and have established for you a Ghana Extradition Act. Act 22, you can just Google and read on it. Again, no can say this is the first step. So meaning that Trica extradited to US my catcher said Ghana was our relationship with the United States. Two, say there must be a formal request by the foreign state. In this case, the USA. Request among what ban it has to go through diplomatic channels. Jumbe from Minister of Foreign Affairs, so no minister responsible for Attorney General and Justice, so no my yes. Again, offense that Nipane committing, is it offense that must be extraditable ana? But for can make a change, me person change and say, Nipane Bonnie na yesi wo dino. E ye Bonnie a say yetimi edene ko US one or ko jina mrenima na. Bonnie be under the act na extraditable no. Ye cyber crime. So will be internet, Yahoo, ADAE, or the fraud. Alita, my son, my Alexis, my Jusica, my the vet in a braille, a fraud. My internet, no so, my Fakam, Bonibus, Jusica, my dad, some no champana, my son, mammy, I say, I'm a boy, my Giska, my Yakotoka, no, fraudulent activities. I bear Fontaine Tankessian. Yes, and again, money laundering. Sika ain't free, papa so. No, I said a person would done it, then maybe Sika, papa. So all these are acts that are extraditable. Aluta Elkaya, Ministry of Justice, and as a Justice Department of the US, charges from what the boy Trica na cyber crime and money laundering. So Trica qualifies to be extradited under the law. You be able to catch your biasa mahama amwano na Ghana yen support you no obwa. Eye mra na ye kan nya dwenkyere. Edu adwenkyere ye be frewom. Ahade eye mra. I don't know. I don't know what kind of provisions they will. Step 3 and say, answer no more ban. They must make sure that the offense is not political. Political. I'm a check it. Come on, Felice, the Nippon so be more Trentino any idea. In fact, a little when you read in this act, and you can say, Senayachi Abutrika, what it meant was that FBI submitted what extradition order to the government. Before they did that, they had to adduce evidence. Say Trica can say na why a court in the US had to indict him. You can indictment say on the evidence the court and a court did evidence because ampa abranti no question be so be answer. Indictment no law for the can say it can also mean arrest warrant. So the judge had to peruse the document and so show evidence that the man no issue what an arrest warrant. It meaning that it means that Ghana has not done these processes. In the case of Trica, these processes have been done. So that is where we are currently. Now, what happens? Say, FBI information there had to be a district magistrate. I will be issue a restaurant in Edia Kochi Trica. If they say FBI the buy na Ghana so Kochi Trica there be the minister na je document no ono de call magistrate and the magistrate US and one agreement is a brand boni a wadi ni won so che evidence ni so nyina so ma no ma ye warrant dia kwachi ni nyina so ni ma ka kire ye nka nche US say ye district magistrate ne say omu nyina so because alita FBI cannot come to Ghana and make arrest. And you can the Department of Justice almost say they work before the Cyber Security Authority, Yoko, Ghana Police. So they have to make the arrest for them, and therefore they must go by the laws of the country. This is the law. We no be agent. We yamra at 22. Or see, only no suspect in the arrest na they have to put him before the magistrate within 24 hours. Permit checks. Abu Trica started court. Why is Abu Trica going to court? Or see, the magistrate examines whether the foreign arrest warrant and document are authentic, whether the evidence will justify a trial if the offense were committed in Ghana, whether the offense is political or otherwise. It's magistrate investigation name evidence no kre abrantia no so you are not saying preliminarily, but you see the process e course of Ghana no enya Ghana magistrate na be determine guilt. They are only determining whether the crime na you so no you can be extradited or not. So listen to the caveat well. Abu Trica court or Ghana on court to say Ghana court na be kasa we ni boni na we ni boni or court because per the Act 22 no, which is the Extradition Act of 1960 no, the court is only examining whether the processes of extradition have been followed thoroughly, and two, whether the crime may be born, which is money laundering and conspiracy to commit cyber crime no, is valid. That is the step 5. Now you go step 6, and I'm saying that all this is based on the Extradition Act of 1960 and 22. And then you be say buy and you say because then Kekufu do no Mahama Mume Kambum no Mume Trump nko kasa debi. And man say it here. Or see, if the magistrate is satisfied, the suspect is committed to custody, not sentence. The chairman say aluta what man say me. Custody just say magistrate should know the process in your follow. Yes, you fan nko dem kakra. Extradition. A mandatory 15-day waiting period begins. The suspect must be informed of the right to apply for a habeas corpus. I had my Google pronounce it. Habeas corpus. Yes, in your children, a Latin word. Your children said, where is the body? My mention the crowd. I have lawyer in the children, and I remember Jimmy Samba lawyer for the Google Adaroman. Yes, habeas corpus. And I see a chance where is the body. And they say within 15 days, and I say court Ebo Abu Trica manie say utimi file against process na akoso no say bia woni process na adwen ebia crime crime dey bon no wadwunu ni ene o mra nimfu adwunu no odin say crime and qualify for extradition within that 15 days period no. Then from the magistrate court the case will go to a higher court, which is what the high court. Eti Nyabuti keko course is here and say e funi to say ye the best extradition no baby in law no obi FM some kind of habeas corpus, which is say where is the body. You are entitled to file an appeal against the process near Kosono. And that appeal will go to the High Court. As election petition, the last appellate court is the appeals court. A Hansono, or free district court now, Beko, then a High Court. Now, Mubisa say, why is the habeas corpus? I will see, it's because of Article 14 of 1992 Constitution. Your rights and liberties must be protected. Though so you are allegedly a criminal, allegedly a criminal, you still have the right to defend the same process. Maybe a day from and Koboko. So 15 days in a lapse. Now habeas corpus no or file it
to support Article 14. You can also look at 19(2)(c) because presumption of innocence.
Yeah.
Because yenyam prove you say ade no mo de absorbo no mo de born.
Yeah.
Ye no kre sani omu esusu no.
Yeah.
I just say unni for.
Yeah. Yeah.
So
it's habeas corpus is largely about to safeguard the right of the accused. And 15 days in a lapse or file for injunction on a quiet court in a failure, the minister will not issue your friend of surrender warrant. Now suspect no handing over to the foreign entity no penal. So suspect no handing over within 2 months. US for now now reason no more means the proper reason. The state has to release the suspect. Say go back to Ghana. And I say go feel back. abutri kachi eche no enya do mahama na eche no ena enya kufuado no eche mekire wo say ebi so we kufuado anchi obia na no mo so enya no kre dia people eche wom under president kufuado just that omo no mo bi nya popular say abutrika once abutrika because of the social media activities no eyemra na ye de yadwuma Ghana ni US wo mrase yeche wa enya say bia ne ba no abechew e wo ba bia wo da bi wo de be fa Ghana mafo so no mo so ya court na the evidence that chere court say bia for say ye abutrika anasa aluta boni a wo die ni enti hwema yen say no kra court ni hwe no ne US abani na adwen pa no issue warrant ni abechew yeche wa ye do be ko magistrate court ye do ko be nkuri na court ni le decide o di to so de boni na unu boni o decide say article 22 na Extradition Act no US abani ne Ghana ban na fa so toten abebu ba mu e obi tell you no case extradite wa within 15 days abe file with your friend habeas corpus tie ne say you betimi appeal it process no say process ni so ni wia and e be ma surrender warrant say we me fan nko so this is the state, so meaning that Trica even in Ghana has a right of appeal under the law. Now me can when you na me see this is what we must do as journalists. You enter course and na ba me so say say last week the yes I say ye dia Trica ko gira cycle na na de kanifota sa be gira no be we sike no be we sike ente sa e mrasem. Now later before I go on to give you other provisions of the law based on what you've done, it clearly tells you that US for no omo mani abre ye Ghana authorities no ayebu achibidi say district attorney general o see OSP documents say the ba so gina so akoye for extradition na error so na so be ba correct if you tell me say can of rata na yentimi nchie de now no enye US aban na enforce you Ghana aban na ya do evidence no uti attorney general say Eba Ghana Magistrate Court, Eba US Federal Court, meaning that when Ghana provide the same documentation, they prove say charges say double caniflat and he can be extradited. A federal court in the US will sit on the matter and decide whether he has to even be arrested. It has to speak Krano. You come say what a warrant to arrest him because you have to arrest him before you take him to the extradition process. And
I also think that it's fair to establish that so will be from US and it's all be from Ghana. So will be from Ghana no be kakra as in US.
Yes.
Because Ghana is a unitary state.
Yes.
United States is a federal state.
Yes.
There was a
state to be that
particular
state yeah.
And also albums.
Yeah.
I bet to say a true steps
exactly.
Exactly. Then it's a single level.
Yes, but Alita na man for so canon which is legitimate errors you can naturally.
And we must also be fair, sir. Yes, even though say a war attorney general office of the special prosecutor, some of these things, there are a lot of gray areas. In looking at the Act 22 and also juxtaposing same to your constitution, vis-a-vis treaties, yes, signatories to. There are a lot of gray areas. So sometimes you may pardon them, but we should also eschew unnecessary delays, especially as 7 years here that much.
Because I need to be at her. And my mom was 21 billion. So I'm a kind. You see, I'm a kind. It means so. And I MP knew what I'm doing. This will be Jalita here. Okay, I can't have a catcher. You use the hypes of people. 1 year, Pedro Mama, like look like that can't just wear 20 days, you do 1 year. You probably cry and chino, men can't see and chichu between summer really.
Or could you to crab at Jatum say, Ora no failure, the NDC is doomed. Because
and you see,
atmosphere no more critical.
Exactly. And the 5 cases where they are to kill for Yatasono. That one from a Panama,
and say a Kobasi Ora no failure, which is a lawyer Martin Pebu say, ne further positioning on matters would be extremely questionable. Yeah. Because we fondly remember what he has been saying.
You see, they not go baby sir. Me through Facebook. Me through Akaya, me put it chat no. Now baby to me am 21 billion some court programs. How did the oral team come by that calculation? Okay, me can comment you. Yes. And then I use your phone.
Because you have 21 billion there.
Now 21 billion IMF in 7. Set 7 21.
With that extended credit facility, and Okrano, yes, or minor firm and send a team credit staff level agreement.
Yes.
This year the team will call higher the document we acquired 21 billion. That would have been and the icing on the cake.
It's maybe
for John Mohammed.
Maybe this is the law. But you see, I
love the way we're quoting specifically from sections in the Act, articles in the Constitution. Now, what we say, Ghana, we do what we call purposive interpretation. The beyond say you can't read, say what you have read. In say the literal interpretation. There were what we call the golden rule interpretation and also the mischief interpretation. So I want to establish that we are not lawyers. What we have done is the literal interpretation of what has been written. And as a court, that is where they will interpret the law. Say not only what has been written, but what it ought also to
be. Yes.
Sometimes we as laymen, you can't give you an because we they say direct, but court interpretation is different.
And I love that, and we've seen the Supreme Court do that a lot of times. Sometimes all and for how it means and everything is there. It's not the one established caveat. Many lawyer ni. Come on for comments in between by reading a lawyer. Many lawyer ni. No one catching me be catching me my kind. But I also not misinform you. So I make sure that everything I've said is the truth. But I just that credit me pay credit. And then me my dream na yiti me function na idea. But I look at beyond the Extradition Act, there are name be a Ghana dinti akushim treaties frameworks be a shey say abandu company bi efiama no ne kaso ne hu nipa bi anyamane a we are enjoined say ni company ni dikasubom ni echimichi say ni pakon. One is the MLL, which is the Mutual Legal Assistance Act 2010. And it where the main topic where be pin this in here there be no no nye de bia eno your last assent na 2010. Na men kan kakrama o say subject to subsection 2, the provision of this apply to legal assistance in respect of criminal matters under an agreement or other agreement between the Republic of Ghana and a foreign state or a foreign entity. When you read this provision, Ghana says bus will be a economic organized crime. Adibia Kaya Trica, Department of Justice almost say Sikano, a criminal networks be a Ghana, any US. Okay, $8 million fraud on it. It is an organized crime. It is a Yoko information on it. Yoko is enjoined to share that information with the FBI. Another act, because of the time, I did a friend Financial Action Task Force. FATF, you can read further on it. The last amendment come here this year, October 2025, and also about cyber crime, weapon proliferation, Yahoo. Obu side will be as a Bible information so be Yahoo never be more against a certain country based on the FATF provision framework. They are enjoined. What's a little treaty open and sign open says the UN. UN ensures a Ghana American UN on our signed treaty. Now parliament I be a friend of ratification.
Okay, so the ratification can say our countries in the be a money state, be a dualist. The money state say be our UN meeting. Na omo can be or na unya sign straight away be an established law or more country. But so for dualist state, that is where after say was signing war UN was say domestication of the signed that is what you are calling the ratification.
The ratification.
So Article 75 of your constitution is a trite knowledge there. So we will have to do ratification. Supreme Court called the ruling about say ratify we must make steps to domesticate it before it becomes part of it.
So we are provisions too alien to us, so we must find a way to define the meaning.
So the ratification is a reserve for the dualist state. Ghana is part.
Yes. And talking about the Supreme Court, talking about the domestication of such ratifications and the provisions, leads me to be a friend of the Budapest Convention. The Budapest Convention, pictures in here. Somewhere 2023. I was Strasbourg, I was France, pictures in here. What am I calling FM there? No researchers who, and in your Cosine. Budapest Convention, the name of Grand from Budapest. Budapest Convention, as she say, a bus cyber crime on Dia. Ghana jet to say near the bay the Becubiano. Ghana didn't take question say yes, you have Mayako. It's about cyber crime, about hacking. If it be malware, just a Trojan was virus, you didn't say you so much to this election or Russia for the virus to be. So I'm getting information come mine, you enjoy. See, I would take a crown and say, before extradition, our agencies were enjoined to report back to the signatories to the countries now. I don't remember say I couldn't rectify. Remember say Ghana is a signatory to them. This is Yemane Osla Owusu Ekufu. Co-sign the Budapest Convention. In the conclusion of this matter is that Ekufu didn't wow. President President Ekufu didn't wow. President Mohammed meanwhile. After force we come with at the year saving Ketio Junior, will be at meanwhile. Oh, you're for the Minwaji Jai. I mean, there are more information we give. Later, we will reveal that will even shock you more. Wajika. And your bands back could be maybe in the 2-bedroom when your girls were 3 years. Jai. A good her, a buying it because women. Countries now must almost chance a dinny panny bedroom. Now, when you acquire La Sula Lao. And then US can so many visa restrictions are. Do you know that now some cars 5 years almost did you see that the whole mood of the country? Yeah, the World Cup. Was so quite visa and farmer and you maybe say paper and alita me say who could you dollars for Ghana banks are Sabe as a bomb crowd. No, yes, I maybe say
Kumi crown is 3% why your transactions are real what personally I've
Nigeria for started. Sandbox fraud. Yahoo, and all the one I just can't you know, Libya. What kind of credit? You know, they know dragons are quite well calabuli.
Most of them say, more person to acquire on Bangan and no Ghanaian passport.
Yes. You shouldn't get there. Your passport near wet letter. Women can't even call baby as a US, you can cover bra. On a person cover brow. So we must all support these things. Obi better radio so catch you bia say John Mahama ni president for na aso that boss na anya no kre. Ninti anya no kre ni. Obi say Akufo do anchi obi a anya no kre. August 2020. This is the evidence. Osei, Ghanaian citizen extradited in connection with prosecution of Africa-based cybercrime and business no compromise conspiracy. This is it. Abantu bi aka beche na tamale. Okay. And we know this is the evidence. We see President Akufo do 2018. It's Abenia Chichibida because we don't have the testicular fortitude. It means a little catch them. US never watching there. Some you or you cut two states for them Ghana. We don't have the testicular fortitude. And if you Jai, the advice I'm a better man say you for Jai. Abu they don't make kind statements. A little Bekaya. I'm say 20 years possibly. When they want to the manu 10 years of cry. Look at jail 10 years. It is a lot of things. When you can Jai. Now Peduma Papa Luna fire.
And the fear you share the evidence. But once a Ghana Nibia or prison woman on your bar. One shot on your papa. So what's the decided? From up to the list are there. Your musician, your Kobe.
But who can only
strangely, yeah.
Man, I'm a baby, I'm a baby, I'm a phobia.
Yes.
Not your chamacro, not for to be able
to for Koba. See, what's the first and or more kinds of images or Panya Obana. We don't have evidence to it, but it is not something that I wish.
Yes.
I wouldn't wish any Ghanaian to go foreign prisons in any idea. Just as you are saying, no. Why any Yanchiwa? It is time, say Jai.
Because I don't know whether I should divulge this information. You know where we stand, we have a lot of information.
Okay, move on.
Who's okay the Justice Department now? So God here. Who's okay say 2020 no start to prosecute you Abu Trica then. But me tell Abu Trica and Kano years ago. So there's a possibility to say a bit firmer and raise the alarm.
Yes.
I'm not justifying fraud. I'm only saying say the Justice Department now owns statement on from 2023. So there's the possibility say we raise issues. because the US started investigating in 2025, 2020, 2010, 2015, come back to 2023. So it tells you say, why you didn't see you confrere with that. Want to teach you be a hewa, or be a trade to jay.
Yeah, you're home.
Yeah, no, you be a jay. He said, my lawyer, but Minaku could do Eddie, I can be account. My lawyer will move the Minaku could do.
We so cracked to some extent, I say we are also sleeping on our laws.
Look at one of Quine, I want to make bay.
Okay, and I wouldn't want to take the wind out of the sail.
Okay, FATF, no. Okay, Budapest Convention, okay, the MLL at 807. Me say, and I repeat it here, and I was on about 2 minutes to wrap up on that. Me President John Dramani Mahama. Me born a bass video no frame. So when that you almost video in command. Bank of Ghana governor FIC Iyoko parliament because you see Alita per the checks it is the FBI that triggered the process for the Abutuke's arrest. Okay, the Justice Department statement. I don't have it here, but Jeff can Google Justice Department Trica. No, my first screenshot. The tone of the message clearly indicates that they initiated everything. Anita, 8 million with no scintilla of doubt. Majority will come through banks. These gentlemen, the business of Ghana, one. Are the banks telling us to say just opposed to the corruption scandal? They announce how can someone make a fixed deposit of 10 million at a certain bank? Can you trigger any investigations? Someone buys a house 1.6 million allegedly built on water 20 units and doesn't trigger any investigation. It doesn't make sense. Because I do these banks on certain levels. It doesn't make sense. When you say Nalita, we say bravo boy, you can't so go to any time or bank cry. Questions, baby. We got full document. So how does someone get per the US document?
Deposit credits or Ghana card.
Yes. So all these things, you know, are they saying that it didn't? In fact, Anita, maybe and when we try to Facebook, you know, your man for comment to there's collusion. Anita had it. This is Nigeria for the man. Or say, a federal grand jury has returned a 2-count indictment. A hundred restaurants and the Betcha Butuka and Friba, charging a Ghanaian national with defrauding elderly victims out of 8 million. According to a recently released unsealed indictment, Freddie Kumi, A.K. Manoko, Kodoba, or Ben A.K. Butuka Swebro, was part of a criminal network that targeted the elderly victims in romance camps across the United States since 2023. Abutrika net 2023 no stand because when you be a year when you not girls will be a year when you jai you better we say according to the indictment the perpetrators of this romance can use artificial intelligence software to assume false identities and form close relationships with victims. They gain victims trust to obtain money and valuable blah blah blah. Jeff kabe kwasi ya kakra mamia okwasi ya na when you read it can come back to me and what can I say. The Ghanaian authorities owe us clear answers.
I also feel, sir, because authorities in the mandated, say, yes, me know you are doing, but me know so you are so dear.
Exactly.
You knew Munina and a titty film, you knew Munina and a titty also. I knew Quada, every craft in the way we invest, or near Jumada. What to me, Kansas gave you 200,000, 300,000, no, I caught 200 Civic. You ever call Christmas, you see them. I mean, their bands near there. Do we also report what happened to the Whistleblowers Act? Because the society never sanitized that. You know, you have a role to play. Do we feel that? Boys, if you are better now, feel. Amount to no crowd all day, sad dying no more. Don't even say outrageous or kind of try mouth. Or when you be no good anymore.
I look at you. Statement and the concluding paragraph.
Yes.
Or say the investigation and prosecution of this case is in response to
the Elder Justice Initiative Program originating from the Elder Abuse Prevention and Prosecution Act of 2017, EAPPA.
What the possible?
Yes.
You can say Gabby throw me letter and I'm responding. Say I'm responding to Gabby. So again, and I it seems the initiation was done from the US. No, this is it. Yeah. So the Ghana no told me. Now look at her. It's same for this year. 9. Kobo to. We said that go.
Yes.
Any
9 Ghanaians extradited to US. This year for cyber crimes.
It's now.
Meanwhile, Uncle took Aka saw a gun and now a very huge respect. Very, very huge respect.
It's so I did those dates because I want for tag and misconceptions. So, can you feel that? And yes, it means yes, I'm the mobile phone. The charges are different. The cases are various stages of consideration. That is the dark. Maybe the first, the second one.